Vivo announces launch date for X100 Ultra, X100s and X100s Pro. X100 Ultra has a camera setup that is different from that of any other X100 smartphone. X100 Ultra, with its flagship tier camera technologies, will excel in 5 key scenes. The micro gimbal anti-shake telephoto lens will be able to capture fast cars. The macro feature of the telephoto camera has the biggest magnification rate among smartphones. Dark light telephoto portrait option will provide seamless images with no glare or reflections. Telephoto lens can also capture starlight in the night sky. With Zeiss's help, users can capture sunsets, sunrises, and flowing clouds. X100 Ultra will likely come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which will be announced on May 13th with an expected price of $1,100.